It's been 2 weeks since we arrived in Perth, a city that holds the record as the most isolated and longest city in the world. Now, we've been faced with a challenge which we haven't encountered in our entire time since we've been in New Zealand and Australia. Accommodation has been ridiculously difficult at finding. Perth is in the middle of an economic boom. There's a lot of work out west, coupled with the fact that there's a lot of backpackers coming in on working holiday visas. There's just not enough infrastructure and accommodation to support all these people. So it's been slim pickings right now for Ling and myself. All the backpackers have been full up. We were on Airbnb trying to find places, and there are places, but you'll be paying anywhere between $700 to $1,000 a week for these Airbnbs. Backpackers are saying that they're having difficulty finding places because there just aren't any beds available in the city, and some have resorted to having to sleep on the street even. In the past 2 weeks that we've been here, Ling and I have had to move our stuff from one Airbnb to the other just because it's been impossible to book something for an extended amount of time. And so that's why we're gonna be heading up the coast tonight actually. We're gonna hop on an overnight red-eye bus that's gonna take us all the way up from Perth to Coral Bay. It's a 15-hour bus ride. Despite having done the vlog for several years now, I still find it extremely awkward to sit and talk to the camera, especially when you see people walking behind you and around you. It really f***s me up. Oh, hey Ling.
Oh, hi.
So, you ready for the 15-hour bus ride up to Coral Bay today?
Yeah, you're funny. No.
At least it's an overnight. We're gonna hop on the bus at 7 p.m. and we should get there at like 6 in the morning.
Where did we catch the bus?
At the bus station.
Oh, okay.
So we've got about maybe 7.5 hours to just walk around Perth, and we're gonna check out the museum, the BOOLA BARDIP Western Australia Museum.
You're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me high and dry.
I think we pick up our luggage.
I think I have one.
Alright. So 2 big luggages and then two smaller bags. No, that's not the one. It should be a blue suitcase.
Does it have the number with the barcode?
Yeah.
Joji is coming.
And Phineas.
Oh, as in Billie Eilish's brother.
Yeah.
Ah, yeah, February.
That's everything, right?
Yeah. And the small one's connected?
Yeah, thank you.
Thanks. Oh yeah, now I have to start carrying this again. Oh.
Where you going?
Coral Bay.
But I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh.
We are in the town of Carnarvon. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right.
We might be missing a letter in there.
We're coming to the end of this 15-hour trek up the coast in Western Australia. It's about 7:15 in the morning. Just spent the night on the bus. It was a chilly night. They were blasting the AC in that bus and you couldn't switch them off. So Ling took some tissue paper and just stuffed it inside.
It helped a little bit, I have to say.
But it was cold. It was so cold I was getting hives on my legs. As soon as the sun started coming up at around 5 a.m. and you just look out and you see the red sand in the outback, it's just like, wow. Something you don't really experience when you're in the city. So it's good to get out of the city. It's good to get out of Perth and really experience Western Australia. That is a big anchor. And that is a palm tree that broke in half. It's... You're so close to the camera. It's Carnarvon. don't even know if that's pronounced right.
Say, do that whole line again.
Carnarvon.
Do that whole line again.
Carnarvon, not Carnarvon. I don't know.
Baby, you
At one point I had to go piss in the bus bathroom and I picked the worst time to go because the road was just zigzaggy. Then I'm trying to hold my stream steady, keep it in the toilet, but then I kind of fell back and hit the door with the bathroom as there's a light that turns on, and I hit the door with so much force that the light dimmed, so now I could barely see inside.
got me out there by your gentle wind and rain.
Thanks so much for that.
Staying here?
Yeah, perfect. Great driving. 15 hours later, we are here, guys, and they dropped us off right in front of where we're staying. Pretty sweet. I like it. Huh? Yeah.
Welcome to hang out in the bar and the lounge area, but we'll get you checked in at 1 o'clock. Cool.
Which is the luggage room. Go for it. Don't be scared.